Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I am going to do a review for you on a set of 6 gel polishes from Aifaifa, and I'm also having a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I am going to show you the contents of this nice little box right here, which is how the polishes came packaged. And then I'm going to do some swatches. As I am doing the swatches, I am going to go over the rules for the giveaway. I will tell you that it is open for the US only, okay? Now, this is a package, like I said, it's a box of 6 different colors by Aifaifa, available on Amazon, and I will have the link down in the description bar below. Now, I just put this, I forgot how to open the box. Okay, I had it sideways. Okay. So here it is. They came nicely protected with this foam surrounding, and again, their thank you card right here. If you remember Aifaifa, I have done other reviews for them before, such as the floating shelves and their stamping plate kit as well. I will have that plate. I have those other videos linked down in the description bar below if you guys want to start getting familiar with this seller right here. Out of, and they, like I said, they sell their items on Amazon. So here's how they come packaged. Look at that. I mean, look how nice. See, they're very well. Let me go ahead and take this out now. I've already put them to work. My nails here on this hand, I did a winter manicure with 3 of the colors. But see how nicely packaged they are? Look at that. So they don't move around or anything like that. And let me go ahead and remove them from here. Okay, so I have removed them out of the package, and I'm reading off of their Amazon information here. These are 8 ml bottles, and they are one-step gel polishes, meaning you do not need a base coat or a top coat, okay? And you will see when I do the swatches. Let me go ahead and show you here. So this is, let me go ahead and tap that. These are the colors right here in the pretty little glass bottles. Now I will tell you there's nothing on the bottles that will tell you the color other than the numbers. They just have the sticker with the way they identify the colors are by numbers. There's nothing else indicating where you can see where the color is. Now I'm going to do something with my swatches that will help me then later identify the colors after I put them away. And these colors will start taking you into thinking more about into the spring and summer colors as soon as winter is over. I'm the type of person that I wished winter was over right after the holidays. That's how I am. I am ready for much warmer weather right after December, January. So I'm going to go ahead and do swatches on this snare wheel. And as you can see, I will also later show you some photos and some shots that I took of the swatches, the colors that I use for my mani on this hand. And as I am doing the swatches, please listen for the rules for the giveaway. Okay guys, so as I said, this giveaway is being sponsored by Aifaifa. Don't forget to thank them. It is only open to the US, so they can only ship within the US. Now, for the rules, you must be over 18 years of age to participate, okay? You must have public subscriptions to this channel, my channel, NAQ57. I will check. You must be a subscriber. And what I want you to do is comment below, just enter me. As simple as that. Now, the giveaway or the prize is going to be one set of these. If I reach 200 views, I will have one set of these to give away. However, if I reach 500 views, I will have 2 sets to give away. There will be 2 winners, okay? So share the video. The more views, the better. We can go up to, if we can go up to 1,000 views, then I will have 3 winners. Just keep in mind that the number of views does not affect the number of entries. I mean, we can have the views and not necessarily have the entries. So don't feel like you're going to be in competition with others by sharing the video and then just helping me gain more views on this video, okay? So I am going to close, or I'm going to say I will close this giveaway on January 3rd. So I'm going to keep it open for 2 weeks. If I have not reached the 200 views by then, because I know it's the holidays, I will keep it open. But if I have reached the 200 views by then, I will close it but let's shoot for at least 500 views, guys, so that I can have 2 winners. And yes, both of them will be within the US for one set of these from Aifaifa. Absolutely gorgeous colors, gel, really good quality gel polishes. I was very happy how they turned out. So that is it, guys. That is all for the giveaway. Don't forget to comment below, enter me, and have those subscriptions public. Subscribe to my channel. Now I'll leave you with the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so I will tell you, here are these beautiful colors. I will tell you, when I apply this on my nails, I love the formula. It applies very smooth and easy, not too thick, not too thin. It did not run to my cuticles at all. I really liked working with this on my own nails, and you saw there how well it did. Even on these swatch wheels, they apply nice and smooth. You saw me do 2 coats for each color. They all did really well there. So these are all cream colors. They did all have really great coverage with only the 2 coats, which each coat I cure for 30 seconds under my 48-watt lamp, LED lamp. And as I said, they're one step, so when you apply it on your nails, there's no need for a base coat or a top coat. And as you can see, they're completely cured, and they finish, they have their own nice glossy finish right there. So no need for top coat. On my mani, because I did a stamp, I did go over with a glossy top coat to finish it off. And I used on my index and my pinky, I have this one here's number 6, which is the lilac. On my middle nail, I have number 1, which is the baby blue, and on my ring nail, I have the gray one, which is number 3. So yeah, number 1 is a baby blue, number 2 is a pretty pink, that's a very true pink. The gray is number 3. Number 4, it's like a mauve, a dirty mauve, and this is a peach. It could be like a nude color. And then number 6, that lilac right there, that's probably coming out as a blue on the camera. So remember guys, and keep in mind, if I do not have at least 200 views on this video by January 3rd, I will keep the giveaway open, okay? So share, share, share. Remember that, so you're giving yourself more opportunities of winning by sharing this video and getting more viewers on this video, not necessarily entries. So I would like to thank Aifaifa for sponsoring this giveaway. If you guys have any questions about the gel polishes, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.